ating makakasama ngayon.
Totoo yan.
So para idire-diretso natin ang kasiyahan,
Palakpakan naman everyone for ito para mas maganda, mas hype na hype ang simula natin. Ladies and gentlemen, ito magpe-perform, ladies and gentlemen, sila ang mga batang pinagbuklod ng kanilang mga hilig at talento sa pagsasayaw mula sa bayan ng San Jose, Batangas.
daling baby sa TikTok na laging nakakasungkit ng awards, consolation prizes for the Choice Award, and Best Kid Performers.
And of course, social media accounts po nila is Facebook page, VL Dance Crew. At
Ang YouTube nila ay VL Dance Crew.
TikTok, VL_DC_02_Kiminians. Ang pride at longest active dance group ng San Jose, Batangas.
Applause everyone for the VL Dance Crew!
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call a shot, like blah, blah, blah. Y'all should know me well enough. Better have my money. Better have. Better have. Better have. Better have my money. My money. Have my money. My money. Better have my money. My money. Have my money. Money. Better have my money. My money. Better have my money. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot. Don't act like you forgot.
Sexy girl, show yourself. Sexy girl, show yourself. Sexy girl, show yourself. Show yourself. See a bag of girl, girl, when you go for the food and energy. Girl, back out, cause your body not cemented. Girl, I'm Sexy girl, show yourself. Sexy girl, show yourself. Sexy girl, show yourself. Expose yourself.
Lick good, suck this pussy just like you should. My back, lick my pussy and my crack. My neck, my back, lick my pussy and my crack. Listen to me good, no come to me with no antics. This a pretty pussy and a pussy for your ramp with. When I 6:30 and me a clamp it. One fuck me give you.
Please up. is your name, anak?
Liwinashi Espiritu po.
Ano daw?
Liwinashi Espiritu po.
Nubilasi Espiritu. Ikaw naman,
Alright.
baby.
Princess Sarah Dalia po.
Princess.
Aha.
Oh, ikaw naman, baby girl.
Lina Jane C. Lauronal.
Yun ang naintindihan ko. Ano, sorry? Grina Jane. At ito ang pinaka-baby girl sa kanila.
Yes!
Ako po si Mark Kevin M. Pabrigan!
Yes! Wait lang. Alam ba to ng tatay mo na sumasayaw ka ngayon?
Alam mo, sa panahon ngayon, Jewel, no need to explain sa ating gender identity, sa sexual... Diyos ko, no need to validate. Pag Becky, carry na yun.
Carry lang yan. Go
Oo.
na go!
Okay. Ito naman iba na nayaw, ha?
Oh, mag-aaral
Pero, gaya na sinabi natin, Jewel, mag-aral mabuti.
Okay.
Importante yon.
Tapos ito, tama yan. Dagdagan mo next time, ha? Yung mga barrets. So, ang galing! Guys, once again, give it up for the VL Dance Crew!
Nakakatuwa kasi bata pa lang, Becky na siya, di ba?
Ikaw rin ba ganon?